10:30 a.m. today morning, it was a fully packed court number 1 in the Supreme Court of India when 9 judges of the court started hearing whether Indians have a fundamental right to privacy. The petitioners were represented by senior advocates Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, Mr. Arvind Dattar, Mr. Shyam Diwan and Mr. Soli Sorabji. The petitioners in their argument tried to demolish the government's stand that privacy is nowhere explicitly mentioned in the constitution, thus it does not exist as a fundamental right. The petitioners gave an example of the freedom of press. They said that freedom of press also does not explicitly find mention in the fundamental rights, but it has been upheld as a right due to the virtue of Article 19(1)(8) that talks about freedom of speech and expression. The petitioners also told the court that there cannot be liberty without privacy, and right to life and liberty is also guaranteed under Article 21. The petitioners also told the court that in previous instances the court has held liberty to be an inalienable right and that laws across the world recognize right to liberty. The petitioners, which were represented by senior advocate Mr. Gopal Subramaniam, also told that this right is the heart and soul of the constitution. It is not a right whose existence is in the grey areas or in the twilight zone. The petitioners continued their arguments in the second half as well. Tomorrow the hearing will continue, where the government, represented by senior advocate and Attorney General for India Mr. K.K. Venugopal, will put forward their stand. The government till now has taken a stand that privacy is not a fundamental right, and now it remains to be seen as to what will be the arguments presented by the Attorney General to substantiate the government's view.